right, guys, so check it out. This thing looks amazing. We just finished and we are here with the owner of this beautiful mobile detailing unit. Can you tell us your name, where you coming from, and what's the plan with this beautiful
Mom says get to work. My name is Cotton Collins. Ragtime Details out of Greenwood, Delaware. It's on the eastern shore peninsula of Delmar region. Been mobile detailing a little bit lately, what I can do with working. Now I decided, getting to the age now, I just want to do this full time now. Hopefully, if things work out really well, I'll be back here shortly to get my second, maybe or more. And this thing's turned out just beautiful. So, like I said, this is a dream come true. So
amazing.
It's backing of my family, my wife Suzanne and CJ, my son. Big thanks to Tony. You put it together. You and Phil. I've been watching your videos nonstop.
All right.
So,
yeah.
So man, this is just wow. I don't know what to say.
But first of all, from my end, I want to say that I really appreciate, your business. I really appreciate the trust that you guys deposit on us, in order to build this, because this is amazing. I mean, I love the way it look out, the way it turned out. I mean, I love your reels, how everything turned out red. And it's you mentioned something. The reason why this configuration right here is red. Can you talk a little bit about that?
I went black and red because I'm a fourth generation firefighter. I got 40 years in the trade being a firefighter, so black and red's there. I couldn't have blue because then the police department guys would be getting on me because I've been trying to switch titles, which isn't happening. So, but no, black and red, just thought it was I mean, I've seen a bunch of other kind of details you've done, and like I said, man, just really sticks out.
Exactly, definitely. It really looks really
I believe
nice.
Once the customer sees your professional unit pulling up, it looks like to me that you're going to get the customers, because just you compare with something that's totally trashed or just thrown in there. And I get some people can't afford that, and they get they build out and they make do, and I get it. So, but I think this one-time spend, making this unit like it is, and it's beautiful. So
correct. I mean, there's many ways to start the detailing business. You can start from all the way down. Like I tell people, people ask me many times, what's the best way to start? It all depends on your budget. You can either go full, with this, or you can start and let the business kind of get, to this point, But it's definitely, to me, I always like to do things right from the beginning. So if my budget let me do it, then I'll definitely will start with something like this.
When I was looking at a lot of your videos, and like I said, I somehow stumbled on Phil Miranda's videos, and then like I said, and you came over and did a couple jobs for him. Then I started watching yours, but it really was neat because you were working out of a van versus where he was a trailer. And what I loved about this is where my area is, I got a lot of beach resort areas and a lot of tight driveways, and I mean small driveways, and trying to get a trailer up in down there, and I'm just like, this would be a nightmare. So I'm like, this here turns on a dime. Like I said, it's a work of God because it came in true. I finally found a van, bought it, then like I said, hooked up with you, and then the skids come true. So man, I just don't know what to say.
Amazing. So yeah, we can talk a little bit about some of the features on the van. Like I said, we have all reels, like these 3 reels right here that you guys can see. They are 50 feet. The one for the power reel, that one that is 40 feet. Beautiful toolbox, that you can install, or keep all your miscellaneous stuff. We have the brush holder on this side. This one here is made of aluminum as well. We like to make sure everything that we use to do the setup is aluminum. Obviously, nothing we can do about this until we come out with our own toolbox, and same thing with the rails. But we try, our best to make it as heavy duty as possible, and make sure that this thing is not gonna get rust, and at the same time it's gonna be lightweight, for this van to be able to handle it, with no problems. The diamond plated doors as well, they are aluminum. We can come on this side as well, so we can look at some of the stuff that we did On the side, on this one here, if you guys look over here, we did the awkward water system, which is mainly to fill up your water tank with a flow valve. And you can the flow valve is gonna stop, from overfilling. So you can be drinking coffee while this thing is filling up.
That, right?
So that's really nice. So on this side, we have the Predator, 5,000 watts on a nice generator slide out. That this one here is capable to hold 500 pounds. So I can easily stand on this slide out and nothing's gonna happen. So really good stuff. We have a space over here for your, it can be your steamer, it can be your lunch box, it can be anything that you want, because I mean,
I got you.
On hot weather, you definitely want to be hydrated. You have your 5.5 gallons. This is a beast. I mean, that's the name. It's a beast. The suction on this vacuum is amazing. As well, I love the Fortress. A lot of people ask me which air compressor should I use. In our case, we love the Fortress for so many reasons. It's gonna fill up the air like super quick, so you can be using it with no problem. And as well, we always purchase the extended warranty on everyone, which is you can go up to 1 year, 2 years, or whatever you want. And if something happens, you can just bring it back to Harbor Freight. Same thing with this one here. So. Nice. It's nice, yeah.
Nice. It was running just a little bit ago. It was really, really quiet. So I can't get over how quiet the unit is. So, like I said, in the beach resort down there, they're really antsy about the noise, propagation, that mess. So
correct.
This will be perfect. Perfect.
On this side over here, we have as well. This one here, it has two purposes. This one here can be your bucket filler whenever you are not running your generator, or as well on winter time, you can always set a little hose right here and put it on a gallon of the RB antifreeze, and the pump is gonna suck the antifreeze. That way you're gonna have all your lines, with antifreeze, and you're gonna keep them safe, on the winter time. So, and also something else that we did on this one. Let's move on to the back now. This was something that you ask, and it's really nice. You request this one here with a quick connect, and the reason why is this one is coming from the pump. So what's gonna happen right here, whenever you are connecting your carpet extractor hose, what's the name?
I've got the Rip Clean
unit. So you can just quick connect this right here, and that's gonna be your water, for that system. So all you need to do is connect your vacuum, and that way you don't have to be purchasing, let's say, the Mighty or any other extractor. With that right there, you're gonna be okay. So really nice thing right here. And also, you can fill up your buckets from this end as well. So really nice.
Oh, okay.
The other thing is this one here. If you guys look at this one here is your on and off switch for your pressure washer. Okay, so let's say, for instance, that you are not using the pressure washer. All you have to do is disconnect this right here and connect anything else. It can be your steamer, it can be wherever you want. So that's an additional. Just make sure you turn it on in order to make any tool that you want whenever you are not using your pressure washer, okay? Otherwise, you can just connect it right there and you should be good. And what else we can talk about? Let's move on to the other side to see. It's a lot to talk. We have over here, and this one here, in this case, we still, we made a mistake. We forgot to powder coat the polisher holder and the pile holder. They were supposed to be red. We powder coat them black. But anyways, we're gonna ship it then. And as well, we have the gallon size holder over here. In this case, we have the AR Blue 630, and this is the hot version. This thing is amazing. We love that pressure washer. You guys can tell by just looking at that wall right there. That thing is amazing. We love it. So once again, everything is secure. Everything is ready to go. And I want to say thank you again for all the trust.
I thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And guys.
Tony's the man.
Thank you.
Tony's the man.
So hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, please give us a big thumbs up, share it with others who might enjoy this type of videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.